What do you do when there's an early freeze and you have to harvest your green tomatoes before they get ripe?
You make salsa verde.
Take those green tomatoes, dump them out on the countertop, slice them up. Add some elephant garlic to the mix. Dump it all in a saucepan. But don't forget to add the zucchini. Then you pour in some apple vinegar, along with lemon juice. We're going to put in a few spices as well. This is just to your taste. Add some jalapenos. Don't forget to pour in the juice. And then you're just going to want to blend it all together with the Immersion blender. Only thing left to do is taste it. It's that good. We're going to leave a list of ingredients. You can mix and match how you like, and then we're going to show you how we can it. To water bath can, you'll just need a pot with some water, some clean jars, fill it up, put the lids and the rings on, put in the water, make sure that the jars are covered by at least 1 inch, let it come to a boil for 20 minutes. Take it out, and then enjoy in the days to come. God bless. We'll see y'all next time.